I'm jumping out. R&W. Right now I'm going to check the flame sensor. Since it's a very common failure. Flame sensor seems like it moves a little. What's the minimum Linux wants? .4 they want at least. Here's the igniter. Fell off, that's me. Batteries are low. You get ghost test results when you have low batteries. 1, 2, go up. 1, 1, 1, 2. It's a little low. Go out. Let me pull it and see. Okay, sorry, I just had to take some pictures of it. But that's filthy. Yeah, let's turn this off. Sounds like they're watching The Godfather in the other room.
How are you?
Good. I hate when people sneak up behind me. That's like the worst thing somebody could do. At least I'm not playing with fire or live electric right now.
Have you found anything? You noticed anything?
Oh yeah, the unit's junk. Time to scrap it and buy a carrier. Not kidding. Nah, it looked like the flame sensor might be dirty, but
Okay.
I have a few more tests to do, but I think that's all it is. I mean, this thing should be good for another 10 years at least.
Thank God.
Let's see, what year is it? It's a 2007. Yeah, you got another 10 to 20 years out of this thing.
Good.
I can't promise you that, but
Right,
hopefully.
All right, good.
All right.
I'll leave it to it.
Yeah. It's the downfall of the job. People sneak up on you all the time while you're working. No, it's tight. That doesn't move. Times like now, I wish I had my alligator clip. Gas is back on. So 1.4 is the minimum for this circuit board. Igniter. And we have ignition. Now we're at 2, which is a lot better than we're almost 2. I slipped. Oh, slipped. But I'm happy with it. Dirty flame sensor. I'm done. Well, till next time, I'm out. Oh yeah. I know, it looks very gimmicky, but I actually do like this thing. Even if it looks gimmicky. I just had to respond to somebody. They knew who they are. Greasy, oily. Channel locks. Just cooked the hell out of them today. Torching off a bolt. But we're up and going. I like the easy ones, especially after my last one.